If you're looking for a commercial truck body shop, you have come to the right place. Here at IP Truck, we've got an 18-bay full-service commercial truck body shop. We've got trained technicians, and we've also got a 50-foot paint booth, and that allows us to handle 100% of your commercial truck collision and body shop needs. Whether you've got a cement mixer, an RV, a bus, or an over-the-road tractor trailer, or any other large vocational commercial truck, down to box trucks, vans, sprinters, and light-duty commercial vehicles, we've got you covered. Some of the most common repairs that we do are, of course, collision damage. We do wheelbase modifications. We do body swaps, where we'll take a body off of one truck and put it on another, and we do fiberglass work as well. And if you operate a box truck, we do 100% of the repairs on the boxes. From the corner caps to the radiuses, the top radius, the side radiuses, the sides of the trucks, the floors, the Z-post, and on the back of the truck, very popular repair, roll-up doors. So we'll work on the operator, we'll work on the rollers, we'll replace individual panels or the entire back door. And if you've got a box truck, on the back of the box truck, you probably got a liftgate. Here at IP Truck, we're a dealer for all of the major liftgate manufacturers, so we can sell you a liftgate and install it. And if you've already got a liftgate on the back of your truck, we can help you maintain it. We can repair it and provide service for that as well. And when your truck is done in our shop, it'll find its way into the paint booth, where we can get it painted and get it back on the road looking sharp and making you money ASAP. Here at IP Truck, we also try to make ourselves very easy to work with. We'll do on-site free estimates, we've got replacement rentals, and we'll also work directly with your insurance company. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call or visit us online at iptruck.com. Thank you.